let's first enjoy the shot that I made for you. So, did I bore you with this commercial? What do you think? So let me know in the comment box below. Thank you. Feedback are always welcome. Can you see the thing opening? That's the aperture. How to choose the best lens for Canon EOS R5. Hey, Hakuna Matata everybody. And welcome back. Today, I'm going to share with you some tips to pick your best lens for the Canon EOS R5 camera. Or, by the way, any camera. So before we start, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel with that notification bell on to never miss any upload from me. So well, EOS R5 is coming faster than expected. I mean, hopefully next month we will know more for certain when it's announced. If you're expecting the EOS R5, it means that you are in the market for a new camera, right? I would say to you, just wait for a few weeks. You know, apparently even Sony is cooking something up. So you will never know. You know, you may get best option to choose from and affordable. If you're looking for a camera, I bet it's not only the camera you need, you also need a good lens with that camera. So how to choose them? In terms of choosing a camera, if you're looking for a top-end but affordable camera, then the Canon EOS R5 will be the best one out there, according to the spec that we know so far. I have made even a video about the R5 camera spec last time. If you have not watched it, here is the link of this video to pop up here. Watch it and then understand, find out about the R5 spec. But I personally would choose the EOS R5 because I am a videographer mainly, but also sometimes I take still. So I like the extra possibility that the EOS R5 gives me 8K video capability. And I can also have up to 120 frames per second in 4K. And for most videos that I create for YouTube, wow, that is beyond enough. So also, you know, the Canon autofocus is one of the best in the market. And my choice has been made simple by the fact that I did struggle with the Panasonic Lumix autofocus system. It let me down all the time. So I chose to switch from Panasonic to Canon, and EOS R5 is the best for me. So now let's choose the lens. Choice for the camera is only half the story. You need to choose a good lens that can help you get the best out of your camera. And do you know why some lenses are more expensive than the camera itself? Because lenses are the most important component of your filmmaking gears. I mean, invest in good lenses. Don't just invest in getting camera and that's it. Camera does not have enough effect on the image quality, but your lenses does. Lenses are the only thing that will set apart your footage. So let me help you figure out what lens you need. I mean, for that, I'm going to ask you a few questions. So what type of video you shoot? What type of still you take? Are you a sport photographer or portrait shooter? Are you all in one and one flexibility? Or are you a wide type of shooter? Or are you a tight, close one? Or maybe you want just to stand in distance and bring the subject close to you with a zoom. Anyway, whatever is your preferred option, Canon got you covered. Now it will depend on how deep is your pocket, because good lenses are now known to be cheap. So here are the available Canon RF lenses in the market right now for you to choose from. And if your budget is tight, understandable. So what option you have? You have the Canon Zoom Kit Lens 24 to 105 f4, which costs about £1,000 or $1,100. You won't go wrong with this kit lens. They're decent, but they are no great. What you want is greatness. So even in that greatness, you have options. But if you want greatness and you want quality and flexibility on top of that, so the options are endless. It will depend on what you can flash out in terms of money. So we have the Canon RF 28 to 70 focal length with aperture of 2 f2, but that will cost you about £2,600 or $3,000. Or we have the Canon RF 24 to 70 focal length with aperture 2.8. It's a little bit slower than the other one, but it's almost 300 or 600 cheaper than the f2. But if you want even a wider zoom lens, then you gotta choose the 15 to 35 millimeter focal length with aperture of 2.8, I think, which will cost about £2,300 or $2,300. So we have looked at the option for the zoom lens. Now let's look option for prime lens. Prime lens is just mean that it's a fixed focal length, so you can go up and down. There's no mover, no. So you have option like 35, you have option like 50, you have option like 85, 100, and so and so. But nothing come close to the 50 millimeter prime lens. And the Canon RF 50 millimeter f1.2 L series is the best. And also it lets quite a lot of light in terms of aperture. But it will cost about £1,800 or $2,300. It won't let you down. So you got option to choose from if your budget can allow it. So my choice is simple. I'm gonna choose the Canon RF 24 to 70 f2.8. It will cost me about either £2,200 or $2,300. And this lens is a sweet spot between wide and portrait. You may say that, they're very expensive. Well, yeah, you're right, they're very expensive. Remember what I said in the beginning. You need great lenses, and great lenses will improve even the cheapest camera. So here you have it, how to choose the best lens for your Canon EOS R5 or any camera. So do like this video and share and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Hakuna Matata, my friend, and bye for now. I will check on you next time in my next video. Thank you. God bless you.